Okay, listen to me, jackass. Lower the goddamn bridge so we can fire you.
Damn, I've never been burned that bad before by a piece of wood.
I disapprove.
Well, then climb down, you big ape, and help us.
Me? No.
It seems you couldn't make it to my...
Hey, Ellis, why don't you tell us about the time you shut up?
Fucking.